Serious custody battle lurks over the family for the custody for Jodian Fearon's baby. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 7 TV Let's Talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We'll be right back after this short break. We ask you, please remember, just like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell so you're notified whenever we post new videos. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Link 7 TV. Let's talk. I know that you can recall the story of Jodian Fearon that sparked national outrage after she was refused medical treatment at different medical facilities. Sad to say, she passed away, and now she's in the focus once more after a custody battle between the parents and also the father of her born child. So we have the latest update now to bring to you as it relates to this. So a custody battle for Jodian Fearon's 6-month-old daughter Peyton Grace is threatening to inflict fresh wounds in the relationship between the deceased first-time mom's loved ones, and even as they try to come to terms with the tragic passing under controversial circumstances in April of this year. Fearon's death sparked national outrage after she was reportedly denied timely care and supervision, dying after she was transferred to different hospitals, 3 in total, while in labor, and reportedly showing signs that she had the COVID-19. At the end of the 2-day ordeal, she passed away at the University Hospital of the West Indies, reportedly from a failure of her heart. Now, this situation was one of those that sparked a national outrage, and a number of people had took to social media just to urge their disgust about the whole entire situation and how the staff at these medical facilities dealt with the whole entire situation. So the test result later showed that she did not have the COVID-19, and she was being skeptical about the whole entire thing due to the fact that many of the medical staff believed that she was the carrier of the COVID virus at the time she was admitted at those medical facilities. So Kenton Sr., the father of Peyton Grace, is now wrestling with the Fearon's family for the custody of the infant, with the matter to be settled in court. Attorney at law Chad Lawrence of the law firm Samuda and Johnson, which is representing the senior, confirmed to the reporters that the application was filed in the Supreme Court. The first hearing of the matter is set for November 30 of this year. So according to the lawyer representing the family, they feel confident in it and that they are going to do what they can just in order to secure custody of this child, while being very cautious about the disclosure surrounding the case and the understanding that the 6-month-old daughter has been living with the Fearon's family. According to the father of the child, he states, and I quote, "I grew up watching my grandmother saving people's life in the country era, delivering children out of their mothers, and now to see something like this happening to my own. This is just sad," he said, insisting that he would not accept any excuses at this point in time. "I was trying to man up and play the tough guy." The father of the child stated that he's having a very difficult time and he was trying to man up to the whole entire situation. But every time he looks on the baby and he looks on a picture of Jodian Fearon, he breaks down because it's a very sad situation. We tried to seek answers from the family's attorney, but he said he preferred not to comment on the matter and he will do so at a later date. The family of Jodian Fearon was threatening the government with a lawsuit, but last month the Director of Public Prosecution, the DPP, Paula Llewellyn, ruled that there was no material to establish the negligence or incompetence of any doctor or any other person during the treatment of Miss Fearon. The DPP said that the threshold to prove criminal negligence was very high and that the material reviewed would not be able to establish that charge against the government. According to the DPP, it is very clear from the material on file that the unease occasioned by the COVID-19 pandemic and the uncertainty surrounding Ms. Fearon's status may have been contributed to what appears to be the uncoordinated, indecisive efforts and the tardy response by the health institution / medical personnel in the Jamaica public health sector or from the personal physician, she stated in a report. A lawyer representing the family strongly disagreed with the DPP decision and is seeking to get hold of a video footage the DPP reviewed in making their decision. A civil suit could be filed against the government as stated by the attorney. But what transpired in this situation overall is very sad. What transpired to Miss Fearon and also her family during this difficult time of the whole pandemic situation that is raving the whole entire world at this current moment. But with the new development now to come from this with a lawsuit and also a custody battle about the child is another situation, because we know the whole entire situation that went down with Miss Fearon, which was so sad that she passed away under uncontroversial circumstances. And it's very sad to see what this story has led to with a custody battle over the daughter. And we know this situation sparked public outrage in April when it first made media headlines. And we just hope that the family can just come to some sort of agreement about the whole entire situation. And I hope that this situation can just be settled outside of the whole court proceedings, because we know that the court proceeding can be a lengthy and tireless one at times. And we're just hoping that the family just finds some sort of comfort during this difficult time, because I know even up to now it's a difficult time for them coping with the loss of Miss Fearon, such an ambitious and promising girl gone so soon. However, we'll try our very best to just keep you up to date with this story, and we'll try to just keep you knowledgeable about the whole entire situation. And once more information becomes available to us, we'll be sure to update you, the public. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. And I believe we're gonna leave this one here for now. Peace out. Have a blessed and productive day.